Prepping your hair with product is so important because it ensures longevity in your style. Product isn't as useful if it's not being applied correctly. Here is how to get the most out of your volumizing products. Heat protection is so important in any style, and if you're wanting to achieve volume, you want to use something that's super lightweight that you can coat the hair to make sure it's protected but not weigh it down. I'm gonna take this and in sections coat my hair from roots all the way to the ends and rake that through and squeeze it in. The important thing is that we're not using something that's heavy that's going to weigh down all the hard work we've put into getting volume into our blow dry. But we still need to protect it from the heat. So doing that in sections so that it actually coats the hair instead of just doing a quick spritz throughout so it only gets in like teeny spots of your hair is very important. Now I'm going to be using a volumizing root spray, and with this, it's not going to be helpful to just spritz it throughout the hair and get it kind of all over the place. It's not going to do its job. So with this, I'm going to focus right at the roots because that's where we want the grit, and I'm going to spritz it generously enough in those areas, section the hair, and spritz it right at the roots, throughout in all of the spots that we're really needing volume. A lot of people really want volume in this back kind of crown section, so make sure to open that up and get it right at the roots there too. I go all the way throughout the areas that I'm wanting volume. Now, we're gonna massage it to activate it and also just distribute it evenly at the roots. Last, I'm gonna use a styling mousse, which is going to be basically almost like a light hold gel, but fluffy. So it's going to give you hold to your style and a bit of volume and body as well. You can do this a couple different ways. I like to pump it into my hands so that I can see how much I'm using. Distribute it on your hands and then work that in from the roots all the way through the ends, kind of scrunching that in so that you're not getting rid of all of the foaminess and bubbles that are supposed to help with the fullness of the hair instead of combing it down and kind of flattening the product out.